What's going on, everyone? This is Jay with Review It. Just got some mail came in. So these are some of the products that we just ordered. These products are going to be for improving my setup or stuff that we're going to be reviewing for you guys. So let's go ahead and open up this package and see what it is. First thing, NZXT LED white rope. So what this does, it actually slides into like a graphics card slot. Doesn't connect to a PCI slot for power. It actually goes to a Molex 4-pin connector. So it gets your power through there. And this one is lengthwise 2 meters. So 2 meters, so I should have enough to go around the case to add a little more light inside my case. So that is a huge plus. That is to upgrade. I got one of them. So what we have here is the Corsair ML140 Pro LED fan. On my radiator right now, I'm running Corsair factory static pressure fans. I wanted to improve them with these. So these are going to be going on my radiator, and then we have some red LED to add some twist to the case as well, and the NZXT rope, LED rope. So that's going to be a cool feature, so I can't wait to get this in. I did order two. I only got one in the box, so I believe I have another box coming. So maybe it just didn't make its way here today or something. Hopefully it's here tomorrow. It's still within 2 days. I actually ordered this stuff yesterday, and this came in today, so I'm very impressed. So maybe it's coming from a different location, but I'm pretty sure Amazon's never had any type of issues with shipping stuff on time, so I can't wait. I'm very curious of how loud these are going to be. The factory H110 cooler from Corsair, their fans were a little too loud for me, so I wanted to go with these, see if I can quiet it down a little bit. So these are going to be pretty bright, I could tell. Let's open up the box real quick. So it is a 4-pin, so PWM fan. If you guys see, look at that. The fans are see-through, so it looks like can't actually locate the LEDs. So the LEDs actually might be in the center. I don't see them around on the outer rim, so that is cool. But check out the rubber garments. Nice red. That thing is sweet. Here's the back. It's gonna be the exact model. Sweet. So not too thick. Nice size. I like this. I'm really curious. I think this is going to cool down my system a lot more than the factory fans. I believe the ones I have in there actually max out at 1500 RPMs, so we're getting 500 more RPMs on the cooler, and these should be a lot quieter than the factory H110 fans that come inside the box. So I'm really curious. It's going to add a little twist with the red LEDs, also with the NZXT white LEDs as well. And then we have the RGB from the graphics card, and also I have a little bit of red lighting on my motherboard, so it will look pretty cool. Currently I'm running 2 Fantex case fans on my cooler, and also the factory Corsair static pressure fans that come with the cooler. So I'm actually going to be taking these off, putting the Corsair LED magnetic Levitation fans here. I'm going to leave these in the front, so there at this point we'll see if we're going to get better pressure coming into the case, cooling everything else. Right now during gameplay, if I'm on for several hours, it'll jump up to about 45, 46. So I want it a little lower, so that's why I'm taking these off, and I'm going to put the Corsair there. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and install them in, and I will show you guys a footage after the installation and also power up. Alright everyone, so we got the Fantex fans removed from the cooler. We went ahead and left the factory H110 fans on the front side pulling. So this is a push-pull setup. The front ones are pushing in. The new Corsair magnetic levitation 140 LED fans are going to be pulling. So push, these are going to be pulling in, and now they're mounted and everything. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and install the NZXT sleeved LEDs around. So what this is going to do is actually go through this all around here and light up. So this is going to be red. The thermal take fans are going to be red as well. I'm going to have my Strix edition back in here. I actually lent it to a buddy to do a benchmark, so I gave that to him for a couple days. I have a 680 in here right now in the meantime to use. So I'm going to have all that connected and have the white LEDs around. Alright everyone, so we have the Corsair fans installed. Also we have the NZXT LEDs installed as well. First power on, I threw the 680 in here and also the 760, make sure everything's working. That since we're messing with installing the LEDs and also the Corsair fans. So first thing we're going to do is power on our power supply. Good. And moment of truth. Holy moly. That looks awesome. Oh man. Alright you guys, so this is 2 meters, so I actually had to go up, around, all the way down, and then up around here, just a little higher up in this, and I stuck it back in that corner. So thermal takes are still red, means still white. So let's go ahead, I have my thermal take controller set up here. So that's green. That's RGB, red. Alright, check that out. Bam! Red fans, white LEDs. Look at that, you guys. I still have to mess with the temperature and the speed for both fans. These are actually the first power up. Those are the factory H110 fans right there. And those things look awesome. Definitely pumping a lot of air, I can tell right off the bat. Bam. Look at that. That looks cool. NZXT LED strip that goes around. It's like a rope. Awesome. Highly recommend it. And also the Corsair magnetic levitation fans in 140 mil. So that's 2,000 RPMs. It looks amazing. So I can't wait to actually get the rest of the case on, see how it runs temperature wise, see if I get any difference in cooling. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the case together. We have the Corsair magnetic levitation fans, the NZXT LEDs all the way around, and I greatly appreciate everyone's time. Now if you guys have any questions or concerns about the video, please leave us a comment down below. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and give us a huge thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, this was Jay with Review It.